okay, like if this don't look any sketchier. But I can't run. Damn. Fuck. Oh nah. I'm trying to go down. But yo, this is beautiful. Yeah, I know what I'm gonna do. I got an idea. I got an idea. I got an idea. I got an idea, guys. Oh, I thought that was a rat. Yeah. I made it. I made it. Hold up. Hold up. What are a trail that you would recommend?
Well, let me ask this. Are you an avid hiker?
I'm not, but I'm really I'll fucking hike these trails.
Yeah. You just need to get a good workout in.
Yeah. Oh my God. Like, this is amazing.
So if you start from here, hike along the creek, and then when you hit Bridge 4, you're going to go up about 1.25 miles up. And then when you get to this point, you'll be at 1,000 feet of elevation. Turn left. You're going to start hiking down back to the canyon where parking lot 2 is right here. Here and here, you got to go to Vista Point to see the Pacific Ocean.
Oh, that's fire.
So this whole loop is a 4-mile loop. Normally it could take about 2 hours, but I say if you have good pacing, especially if you're going downhill, you can do it in like 1 hour and 15 minutes.
You said this, right?
Yes.
All right. I said what? No, what? Nah, you guys can come.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys.
Thanks.
You're welcome, man.
You too.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Have a good one.
You too.
Holy shit. Damn. No way. You're feeling like, hi guys. Hi, look, Erin, look what Erin is doing. She's buying some prints today. And look at where we are. Niggas sold that in and out. Wow. Nah, no lie, it can see all of us. It can see, I think it can see the whole store right now. Let me see. This is beautiful. This is amazing. Yo, Johnny, look. Yo, look, if I slip down there, I ain't gonna live. Yo, yeah, so you know, so I'ma just, yo, Ozzy, look at this shit, bro. I gotta catch Golden Gate, so cause the sun is about to set. The sun is about to set, bro. The sun is about to set. Look at that shit, bro. But the sun is about to set, so I need to dip skis. Slide. Yo, look at that, Johnny. Oh, Johnny! Oh! That girl's laughing at me because I'm laughing. I'm fucking. James Swan, nice to meet you, James.
Nice to meet you.
And this guy right here?
He's Bill.
Bill? Nice to meet you, Bill.
Good to meet you.
You're a funny guy. You're a funny guy. He don't even realize it. I'm like, yo, I just met him and I love him. Yo, have a good one.